Hello students, welcome. Today I am going to discuss about how to use no sooner than, hardly when, scarcely when and as soon as. I have taken some sentences from lesson 4 the RatTrap standard 12 flamingo. I have discussed about the techniques that can be easily used to attempt such exercises. So let's start. In your exam they give you such exercises. Question 1. As soon as he gets clean and dressed up, you will see something different. Here the instruction is given, you have to use no sooner. Question 2. Here instruction is given, use hardly. Try to attempt the questions and then we'll discuss the answers. Here remember that whenever we use no sooner, we have to use then. And when you use hardly, with hardly we use when. So let's discuss the answer. Answer 1. No sooner does he get clean and dressed up, then you will see something different. Here we can see that with no sooner we have to use this word then. Here it is present tense, so you have to use the same tense. That's why we have used here does. Answer 2. Here you are instructed to use hardly, and as I told you, with hardly we have to use when. So remove as soon as. See which is the tense. It is past tense, so we will use here past tense. Hardly did they get up from the table when he went around to each one present and said thank you. Question 3. Here you are instructed to use no sooner. The question is, as soon as they got up from the table, he went around to each one present and said thank you. Here with no sooner we have to use then. This is past tense and that's why we will use past tense. No sooner did they get up from the table, then he went around to each one present and said thank you. Question 4. The wagon had hardly stopped at the front steps when the ironmaster asked the valet about the stranger. Here you have to use as soon as. So here we need to remove hardly and when. This is past perfect tense. So here also we have to use past perfect tense. As soon as the wagon had stopped at the front steps, the ironmaster asked the valet about the stranger. Question 5. The wagon had hardly stopped at the front steps when the ironmaster asked the valet about the stranger. Here we can see that hardly and when are used, and the instruction is you have to use scarcely when. So let us try. Scarcely had the wagon stopped at the front steps when the ironmaster asked the valet about the stranger. Here you can see that with scarcely also we have to use when. Here it is past perfect and that's why we have used here past perfect. Hope you have understood how to use no sooner than, hardly when, scarcely when and as soon as. Hope you liked the video, so please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.